Good morning. What's up, y'all? What's up? Happy to be here with you this morning. Let me get the rest of the crew in here. How's everyone doing? How is everyone doing? How is everyone doing? Let's get into the charts. Yo. All right. Take a look at what we have today. Take a look at what we have. Good morning. Good morning. Let's take a look at what we have. So didn't trade yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday, so took the day off. So back into it today. We're going to look for potential setups, anything that looks clean. I do like Meta potentially for some longs, take out supply. I'm still in, just to touch base, I'm still in two swings. So I'm in AMD. Unfortunate right here. I mean, I have plenty of time, but hey, thank you, Judy. Kind of unfortunate. You can see my target was set at 158 even. We went to 157.75 and now we're reversing. My stop is break even. So at the end of the day, if we hit break even, whatever. But I'm a firm believer that, one stop, one entry, one target, right? Whenever we adjust things and mess it up, that's when we get in trouble. So very firm believer in that. And yeah, I was kind of messing around on some Forex. So kind of see what we can do here. Just to check it out. Shorting on some Forex, but just messing around. But other than that, I'm also in this SPY long. Again, this one has even more time. Again, still looking solid. It's still looking solid. So yeah, AMD will just be something I watch. Hopefully it works out. But again, stops break even, so risk free. We do have some demand right here that we could potentially pull back and move higher. I think I have like 3 more weeks till expiration, so plenty of time. Let's get back in the day. Obviously, we'll spend some time looking at all that when we get the chance. So this week I've taken one trade. It's been this Amazon long, which profited, posted in the vault, solid win. Solid win. Amazon's pretty trendy. It's looking like a lot of tickers are going to have stuff in the way. Apple's solid. SPY really nothing. Q's nothing. Google I like for potential longs. It's pretty trendy. I really like this for longs too. It's kind of trendy, but we'll throw it up there. Shop, oh my goodness. Shop tanked. My gosh, look at that. Wow. Boeing, I'm looking for a swing on Boeing. Let me see how I have drawn here. Yeah, so looking for this pullback. So I'll get into a swing here on Boeing. Sorry, I don't know why that says it right here. So I need to make sure I put my OCO in here. Or actually, I'll probably just do an alert because of the freaking crappy spreads. Yeah, that'd be solid. That'd be right. No, sorry. Right there. So yeah, solid BA swing opportunity. Again, short-term swing. Again, just had another earnings not till end of July. So plenty of time. So again, look for that for potential short-term swing right there on BA. Looks super solid. Other than that, that's really all I'm looking at today. Is there anything you guys are looking at? Might be a no trade day, honestly, unfortunately, but honestly. Nothing I really like. I mean, I'll enter some swings and manage those swings, but yeah, anything you guys are looking at? Oh, a little cold. Made it about an hour ago. I have a coffee warmer on my desk, so super clutch. Nothing happening. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of feeling like. Could be just one of those days, Could be one of those days. Yesterday was kind of the same. Do we have any news today? Or I could run us through some scanners. Not much today. Yeah, should be fine. Next week is a pretty big data week, so be mindful of that. Next week we got PPI and CPI on Tuesday and Wednesday next week. But for the time being, yeah, I mean, I think I really like this opportunity. If we could do something like this, come back inside. We also like, I guess we also have a supply and demand trade here. I could play this too. Look at that. I like that. I like this. So we have a strong low. Look at that. Strong low right here. We break structure. If we break structure, right? So ignore TLM here. Could take something like this. I like that. That's something to watch. NVIDIA TLM, yeah, probably. I just don't look at it. But probably. Yeah, just above. Break above here. So boom, boom, boom. Yep, looks good. Would they have a cheap enough contract for this account? No. No, they would not. I don't think so. No, but I really like this Apple idea right here. So we have demand touch, right, from the previous day, reaction. So if we come up and take this high, right, at 182.90, can enter with basically that target. I'm just going to go ahead and set up that OCO right now, so it's set and ready. Just do 90 TE. I'll do, I think, probably 3 contracts. What's my stop? $1. Yeah, that's about right. So I really like that. So at or above, basically 182.95. I really like that, man. I think that's solid. Internet market price. Yeah, I think that's solid, man. Super solid. So yeah, we'll write that out. And then Meta on TLM on Meta, I either need to have a quick scalp up to here, find a way to make that work, or wait for a pullback. And then right here, I would love it if we came down to this. Well, that's kind of a big move, but could play this 30-minute demand right here. I'll put a. Would AMD? I think so. I really think so, because look at, I mean, it's not super trendy, but we opened because of how we closed. So if we would have closed here, I would have been like, yeah, Bears definitely won that day. But with how we kind of closed and came up, it's kind of like an even. I think AMD, it's on the watch list. Let me just add it. Actually, I moved it up. I think it's okay. It's okay, but I'd like to see a strong break. Mother trucker, a strong break and really good acceptance, and then the move, right? So I think it's a fine play. If we get that and you take it and it loses, I would say in our coaching session, hey, that's a good trade. So I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Yeah, we'll have it on the watch. But yeah, Apple, I think is really solid for TLM, or sorry, for supply and demand. Target up to here. Bounce from demand. Again, that's if we take the high, which we are doing at open. So that's awesome. Yeah, so filled here at open. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do here. So I got a really nice fill. I'll set my OCO in. Target is 184.45. At or below 182. Yeah. I like it. I like it. Obviously, love to see a break and close above, but we'll see. So in that's going to be a day trade / short-term swing. Day trade / short-term swing. So AMD, like to see a good rip. Google kind of in the middle of nowhere here. Meta solid already, but Meta's just going to be hard. It's going to be hard to play. It's going to need to do like this, and then I'm going to get in. It's going to be hard. It's going to be harder to play. So it might just rip right through and rotate. Yeah, the one bad thing about this is maybe, I don't know. We filled the gap. It should push. I think it's solid. I think it's solid. And then AMD, we'll see what happens here. So I have good risk reward here, but we never really did anything, right? Whenever a gap down takes out a low like this, I'm always very hesitant to, play right away because it could just be a pullback if we zoom out. So just something to watch and be careful. Yeah, we'll see how Apple goes, but I think it's a solid. I think it's solid. Again, technically we kind of stop on it this high. It could be in and out real quick, but yeah, I mean, we'll see. This is a strong low. Well, technically not really a strong low until we actually break structure, but maybe I should have waited here. Oh well, live and learn. Like you could snipe if you get like that, you could snipe that, but just hard to snipe that. I'd much rather play this. See what we can do. I mean, this might just go ahead and hit stop right now. It'd be a small loss because I was playing for a potential swing. We'll see. Yeah, Meta has honestly some good potential. Google's kind of stuck. I don't really expect Google to go from here to here in a day. That's just me, though. I don't really see that happening. Yeah, dude, I did. I did it at pre-market. It's crazy, bro. They absolutely dumped. Down $15, bro. 20%. Crazy. Absolutely nuts. So if we can ride here, let's see what happens. So yeah, this is not technically a break yet. So yeah, I didn't think we would come up here and open here. So kind of annoying because we were right here when I set the order. But still potential. This is still a strong low, but it potentially could be a stop hunt. So it definitely becomes a strong low if we take the high up. Definitely. What's this line? Oh, it's TLN. See what Meta can do. Could also be a little bit more frisky and play this. Again, so downtrend, break, pull back, kind of play that short. I'm not saying I like this, but it is possible. Based off supply and demand. Check out my swings. Oh, I forgot about Boeing. Did they hit the 50%? No, not yet. Okay. It's probably going to be a loss, unfortunately. Unless if something just crazy happens. Yeah, so there goes Meta. Yeah, I think Meta's done. At this point, I don't know. I mean, if we do this, maybe it's possible. I don't know if that happens, but could play that. You guys can hear me okay, right? I should really probably move my chart to this side because my mic's right here. That would probably make more sense, wouldn't it? So I would be looking like this into the mic. Oh well, I'm a noob. Yeah, Meta's gonna be done. I'm not gonna touch it now. Would have been a great trade, but hey, supply blocking, and honestly, with this entry, although it worked, I don't love it. So you get a candle close inside. I don't love it. So just part of it. Part of not being perfect. That's part of not being perfect. AMD, I think, does have potential. It would be something to be a little bit more mindful of, but I think does have potential. We're looking at the 1 minute, that looks pretty strong, aggressive selling. So, but I think if we take this high, we have a pretty good chance to come to the next. And I think this high retrace, yeah. So pretty good chance. NVIDIA for sure. NVIDIA, if it takes this high and pulls back, yes, take it. I won't take it because the contracts are 10x my small account, so I can't. But definitely take it. AMD as well I think AMD looks solid. Again, you also want a logical stop though. So it'd be really nice if we could pull back and then break it, something like that. I think Apple's about to hit my stop now. Something like that would be crispy. Yeah, super close to the stop. About $150 loss. Yeah, there it goes. There it went. Sucky. Sucky. I don't really like it for anything else. So, yeah, I don't really like it for anything else. Now, it could come back in reverse. You could play potential shorts with stop into the high, break low, but I don't like it for anything else. It's okay. All good. AMD, I think, has good potential. I'm going to be really pissed if we come back higher. Now, I mean, I guess I could take it again. If we come back higher, I could still take that. So let's put an alert. I still think it's a solid setup. Oh, I got too many alerts going. Oh. Why is it still on there? That's not even counting for my active. Only the ones that say active, right? Can I filter? Got like hella alerts on SPY. Let me know if I'm missing anything while I'm cleaning this up. These are old, bro. Where'd that one go? There it is. I'm orienting it. Why are you in TLM short? We never popped out. We didn't pop out. You have to pop out for TLM short. Not that it's not a bad trade, but it's not TLM. We didn't pop out. I know I am. I'm just kidding. I know I'm right. Yeah, it was on my middle ground for the day, but Meta's like the only thing that actually rotated. Again, I don't think it's a bad trade. I think short's probably the right move. Again, come up, stop on the high. I actually never even took it. What the heck? I guess I should have had my entry at 183. Dang, that's where I went wrong. I had my OCO set too low. We never even broke it. I should have had it set at 183 to confirm the break. That's annoying. We do have equal highs here, though. So something to be mindful of if you're short. Because we still have demand. We're below. So right now, yeah, no logical stuff. You could also get kind of, consolidation, break, pullback, break, and play this one. Kind of like that too. So we'll just watch it. And it could just be setting up for a really good play tomorrow. That's good what we could be doing. So Yeah, if you can for me, if you're watching, just hanging out, go ahead and like the video, like the live stream for me. I really appreciate that. Helps algorithm, helps me know you're paying attention. But really, would really appreciate that if you can do that for me. Like her up. And if you don't for whatever reason, you probably do, but if you don't, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube as well. It should be down below. Boeing, a nice TLM rotation. Hey, thanks, Brad, for the sub. Love it. Appreciate you. Let me take this one off. I don't see this happening today. I think AMD will probably push. Help my swing out, but hopefully we can get a. The old rocky top. Let's see. No, I didn't. Then Gavin just printed on Disney. He's typically working during this time, so he didn't trade it. Let's look at Disney. He always trades TLM. Let's look at Disney. Blah, 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 would have been TLM. Dude, that's solid. Wow. That's really nice. Look at that. At market open, pop out. I assume we got in here. Stop at the low. Target up to there. That's freaking solid. It's going to be fun to review it. Hey, well, Brad, you're sub now, so it's solid. That's solid, bro. That's a really nice trade by him. Wow, that's really good. We even stopped. That's like A plus, bro. That is so nice. That's so clean. That is so clean. AMD coming up. I would really like to see a strong low form. So, that's how's Apple doing. Oh, kind of annoying, but. And he's gonna go without us, Brad. He's gonna go without us. Let me go ahead and buy my. Mama, forgive me, I like it a lot. Well. Super uneventful live. 0-1 on the day, but yeah. Who in here watching is from the Freedom Team? Post, just say me in the comment. Me. Trying to get an idea. 1, 2, 3. I know Brad is 4, 5, 6. James, we got a call today. Or Jimmy. It's Sir Judy. Judy's rocking the vault. It was yesterday, but thank you. Say, but do not let them in. Okay, so we got about 10. So I got 15 other people. Cool, nice. But do not let them in. Hey, so I'm 100%. I'm like really thinking about doing this. So every morning, hopping on about 30 minutes before market open, and just doing like kind of what I'm looking at for the day, pre-market watch list, Q&A kind of call again, Monday through Friday. I know I put something in the vault. I know people in the vault would like that, but you guys in Freedom Team, do you like that too? Would that just be something that eventually turns into, I try it out for a couple of days and then stop? Like, because that would take, again, it's kind of something I'm already doing, but it would just be on video. You know what I'm saying? Because I typically sit down about, 30 to 25 minutes before the market opens. If you genuinely feel like that would help, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to do it, but I just don't want it to be something like, oh, I do it and I have 5 people coming in, right? Dude, so we want to see a strong low. So remember your Roku trade yesterday, right? So if I put my stop here, there's a good chance we can do that, right? There's a good chance that we get stopped out because my stop's really not anywhere strong. I would really like to see a retracement happen and then us take the high. That's what I want to happen, right? But so Alec, you're telling me you would show up every single day at 8 o'clock to watch me, to listen to me talk. You're telling me that. I'm that special to you? Just kidding. I love it. I love it. Yeah, just sit here and you can just stare at me. I wouldn't even share my screen. Just stare at me like this for 30 minutes until market opens. Literally, drink coffee. I'll eat. We'll do some ASMR. Yeah, I mean, I don't think we're gonna get anything today. I already am 0-1. I don't even hate that trade. I think it's a fine trade. I mean, we never broke it though. That's what's annoying. I should have had my OCO set at 183, not 182.95. That's what got me. 183, no entry, nothing would have happened. That's okay. That's okay. It's really, honestly, small loss, so I'm not worried about it. Boom, 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 boom. Bo, 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 bo. Say, oh. Well, guys. I don't know. Where did she go? Honestly, I low-key want to go to the park with my wife and my baby, so I might just end this live stream. What are your thoughts? Should I do it? They're going to the park. I really want to go to the park with them. Let me do this. Yeah, I think I'm going to head out. Let me tell her. Not that this wasn't fun. Hey, babe. Hold up. I'm going to come with you. Not that this wasn't fun, and I love you guys, but I definitely love my family more. They normally don't go to the park, so we normally are hanging out. But so yeah, so looking at AMD, so if we get a nice pullback, right, and then we take out that high, I love it for longs. Do I think that happens? No, not really. But that's what I'd be looking for. So definitely keep this on watch today. But other than that, hey, I'm gonna hop off. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Good luck today. And I'll throw some pictures in Freedom Team at the park. See ya.